So I've always really wanted to be a flight attendant because ever since I was little, I've always wanted to just see everywhere in the world. I feel like I've grown so much more confidence than what I had when I came here because I've been thrown into the deep end, I've been put on the spot, I've been doing presentations in front of huge amounts of people in the other classes. I'm just more comfortable within myself to do that. We've had so much access to technology to help us be put into situations more realistically. It puts more pressure on you, but at the same time, it makes you more educated and more ready and prepared. Put a VR headset on me and I've got a customer yelling at me, I feel way more prepared for it than I would if one of my friends pretended to be an angry customer. I feel like it helps us become so much more educated and so much more prepared for different things because you're kind of thrown into the deep end and put into those situations. My tutors are always pushing me to work really hard, learning to work with customers, what you do in difficult situations, how you would manage that, and even the trips they've taken us on. I've been to Stansted Airport, I've been to the World Travel Market, and those are opportunities that I didn't expect to get from anywhere else. You don't feel like you only have to go and be a flight attendant or a holiday rep. There's so many things you can do because it's not just about travel and tourism, it's about hospitality and catering and taking care of others and communication. So there's so many things to it, you know?